The saga continues as Gracie speaks about Dwayne and the life that he made earlier. She was upset about the fact that he was talking about her after he borrowed her Zelle just last Sunday. Listen to the events leading up to this and listen to Dwayne as he expresses himself on this.
And what again? She make you dry your since lately. Couple days ago, when can't what you say? Remember couple days ago you called.
Wanna run go subscribe now? Like up the video, share it now, and comment.
Over Lorraine show. So what you say no, Dwayne? Lorraine could never confront me, so I call her show. Lorraine could never confront me now, and me call her show. Remember you wanna call her who call over the one day if you look friend from Lorraine. And she tell us say she don't want to talk to you pan the ear. So I don't know if you don't call her after the show done, because you love what you love me, you love Sus, you say there, you know, you love well, like you know go love mix up, but you love it bad. So after the show done, I can guarantee that you call Lorraine for you what Lorraine I go say. I'm still not take it back. And over fear platform bring out say me have a foster child, and then Lorraine platform was the one who made the call, so see to it that I lose a child. I said that over and over again. I never said nothing more than what me just say. Me say it. Me say you with the fake page on name Dean Smith. Come out, come say they pick the figure brushing teeth and call the pick the name. And then Lorraine platform went and report the child to ACS. That is what I said. I mean, not take it back, cause so it go.
Where you people head spaces at. I see where you people head. Or maybe they're drawing them close to them because they don't want backlash from them. I don't know. It's a lot of things going around in my head right now. Absolutely, a lot of users, they only need you in their surrounding because you are beneficial to them. When they realize you are no longer of benefits to them, or maybe when you somewhat draw yourself away, they try and distance themselves from you using psychological whatever, right? And I've seen a lot of these people on social media who acts as if they are the smartest thing on God's land, and I'm the fool. Trust me, Dwayne Fletcher is no.
Thank you. In cuss her and bring her down and keep calling live, and then in delete the live. Dwayne, the one day me talk against her, I have the live up.